Another another topic in algae is Vaucheria, which belongs to class Chlorophyceae, order Siphonales, family Vaucheriaceae, and the genus is Vaucheria. Occurrence: out of the 54 species of Vaucheria known, 19 occur in India. Most of the species are fresh or water or terrestrial, but a few are marine. Vaucheria Philoboloides. Many terrestrial species like Vaucheria sessilis, Vaucheria hamata, and Vaucheria terrestris form the green mat on the moist and aerated soil. Some of the common species of Vaucheria are Vaucheria amphibia, Vaucheria polysperma, Vaucheria uncinata, Vaucheria germinata, Vaucheria sessilis. Thallus structure. Vaucheria has a sparingly branched sinusoid siphonaceous thallus. The filament shows apical growth and they attain a length of about several centimeters. They are aseptate, but septa or cross walls are formed at the time of formation of reproductive structure or at the site of injury. Vaucheria pseudohemaneta, the filament are septate. Terrestrial species attach to the soil surface with the help of a branch, hepteron or rhizoid. In Vaucheria maimadensis, the thallus is differentiated into a well developed underground rhizoidal system and an erect aerial branch. The wall of the filament is relatively thin and lacks elasticity. It is differentiated into an outer pectic and inner cellulosic layer. There is a well developed siphon like central vacuole within the filament that runs throughout the length of the thallus except immediately behind the growing tip. The vacuole is filled with a cell sap that contain lipid, generated chloroplast, and crystals are present. The protoplast is present in the form of a continuous layer between the cell wall and the central vacuole. The nuclei lie toward the center and the chromatophore toward the periphery in the protoplast. The cytoplasm shows streaming movement which involves nuclei, mitochondria, and dictyosome. Although Vaucheria has been placed in a chlorophyceae by Frisch 1935, it has the pigment like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll E, carotenoids, xanthophylls, which are the characteristics of xanthophyceae. Chlorophyll B is a typical pigment of chlorophyceae, is absent in this genus. The two dominant pigment of the order Siphonale, the siphonene and cyphoxanthine, do not occur in Vaucheria. The reserve food material in Vaucheria is oil instead of starch. It occurs as small colorless droplets in the cytoplasm, but the filament growing in is continuous light accumulated food in the form of starch. Vaucheria reproduces by vegetative, asexual, and sexual method. Vegetative reproduction. Vegetative multiplication takes place by fragmentation of the vegetative filament. Transfer septas are formed that block the injured portion of the sinusoids. Asexual reproduction. Vaucheria reproduces by a variety of asexual spores. Formation of these spores depends upon the environmental factor. Following asexual spores are found in Vaucheria. First is the juice spores. Asexual reproduction in aquatic species of Vaucheria usually takes place by means of multiflagellate, multinucleated juice spores. They are produced slightly in a club-shaped sporangia which are formed at the tip of the filament and the central vacuole gradually decreases in size. Consequently, the tip becomes club-shaped and dark green in color. It is cut off from the rest of the filament by transverse septa. A central vacuole develops and there is a reversion in the position of the nucleus and chloroplast. The nuclei which were toward the center is in the vegetative filament come to occupy the peripheral position and the chromophore move from the periphery to the center. The sporangial protoplast now shrink slightly and a pair of flagella which are of unequal length develop opposite each nuclei. This multinucleated multiflagellate sporangial mass behave like a zoospore. It has no eye spot or pyrenod. At the apex of the zoospores sporangium, the wall gelatinized, forming a narrow aperture. The zoospore escape through the pore, usually in the early morning. Zoospore of Vaucheria are different from those of the other green algae due to their multinucleated and multiflagellated nature. Some algologists consider that they are compound structure which is in which protoplasts fail to break into uninucleated segment. They prefer to call such multinucleated and multiflagellate zoospore as a synzoospore. Germination of zoospore. The zoospore swims for about 15 minutes after the release from the zoosporangium and then come to rest. They withdraw their flagella and secrete thin wall. Thus become, before germination, zoospore become deflagellated, non-motile and sluggish. Soon one or two of the tubular siphonoceous growth comes out. In the terrestrial species, one of the outgrowth attach itself to the substratum and function as a holdfast, whereas the other form the erect branch system. Thank you.